Hey Noor, if you're watching this, then this means that you're about to go and watch me do some worked and explained solutions for almost all of the content that could possibly appear in your maths test coming up. Now, one thing that you will notice very quickly is that my handwriting is shit. And so I actually recommend you to go into Blackboard, go to your numeracy essentials, go to weekly content, and for example in week 3 you click on week 3 and you scroll down to the bottom, it'll come up with topic 3 quiz. It is the same for week 4, it'll be down the bottom, topic 4 quiz. And if you click on that, go continue or start new attempt, because I have done these tests to make sure that I've gotten the answers correct, it will show you all of the questions that I have covered. The next point I have to cover is that the week 3 test is incorrect. My answers that I have gotten are correct, and when I went through to submit them, just to make sure that I got them right, it said that I got a few of them in week 3 wrong. I was surprised at first and thought I just pressed the wrong button, so I did it a few more times to make sure, and it continued to say I was wrong. So I thought, this is strange. This doesn't seem right, but I'll go, and because a few of them are multiple choice, I'll go and I'll press some of the other answers. And for example, question 1, there is 2 options. And so I was originally pressing option 1. It was saying it was wrong, so I was like, fine, okay, I'll press option 2 then. And it also said that is wrong. So if you see that you get a not perfect mark for topic 3 test, it is not my fault. And also these topic tests are not marked, and so it doesn't matter that the quiz isn't correct. And now there are 2 questions that I got wrong. In week 3, question 6, I go on to give you some examples. I'll go pull them up now. Here. Wait, just here. These ones that I'm about to square. When I give you these examples, I originally don't have them as multiplication, but I have them as addition. I want you to disregard that and pretend that it is multiplication, as that's what I meant to put. The next bit, the other question I got wrong was the final question on week 4, part 1. I initially say that this bit here is the final answer, but it is not. This here is actually the final answer, and I go back and I tell you this is the final answer, but then I realized that this also, let me just get back to it, this also is not the correct final answer. It should be this. This is the correct final 100%. This is the correct answer. the two videos in which I got something wrong for a question or I made a mistake, I'll put an asterisk so that you can quickly just pop back over to this video before you watch that, and so you understand what my mistake is, and you understand not to make that mistake, or not to listen to me while I make the mistake. And finally, obviously I go over everything in the video, but I'm not exactly having a conversation with you, so I can't understand in the time what you're picking up and what you're not. And so please feel free to, anything you don't understand, just reach out to me. I will message you back as soon as I can. If that's before work, obviously it'll be straight away. If I'm at work, it'll be as soon as I possibly can. But yeah, I know you're going to do amazing. You've got this. I believe in you. I love you. Goodbye.